To the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. This is Vauxhall Vivaro 2015 model. I'm going to show you how am I going to check brake disc and pad, lower arm ball joint, track rod end, and drop link. Basically, if vehicle has a like this alloy wheel, then it's very easy to check through these holes. However, I couldn't do this one. I can do it, but I have a slight pace here. But however, I am prepared to jack up and check ball joint, drop link, and track rod end. Then after that, I am going to remove the tire and show you how we are going to check the brake pads and disc. Already jack up the van. If you need to know where's the jacking point, you can see underneath here these two square holes. This is the one stone jacking point. Normally I'm using suspension arm nut. There is a, it's connected to the subframe. That's also the another strong jacking point. However, I'm going to use this one. If you want, you can use the this jacking point underneath here, and you can use axle stand there. But however, I'm not going to use the axle stand because I am happy with my 3-ton heavy duty jack. You can hold the wheel 3 9 and try to wiggle. I can see, I can feel it has a movement, right? I'll show you once I remove, because I feeling this vehicle track rod end outer not good. That's why it has a free movement like this. And after that, if you want to check the lower arm ball joint, you have to hold 6 and 12 and try to shake. Yeah, it's nice and steady. That's mean no problem for the lower arm ball joint. I'm happy. And the next step, if you want to check the wheel bearing, you need to hold and put your finger to the shock absorber like this. Put your thumb here. After that, you need to spin the wheel. When you spin, bearing vibration, you can feel to your finger here. I didn't feel any movement. That means this vehicle wheel bearing good. Next step, I'm going to remove the wheel and going to inspect inside disc and pad, and I'll show you again track rod and ball joint. See, I don't know, is it possible to see? I can see the movement there. That means it's not good, need to replace. Next step, use like this bar, give the pressure for the bottom and try to lift up and have a look how is feeling for the this ball joint and the top one. But however, I can't see any movement in this drop link. That means this drop link good. Next step, there is a measurement tool for the check the disc. If your vehicle has a little bit lip in your disc, that means you need to check the measurement. But however, this one no any lips, then I'm happy with this disc. This disc fine. And the next step, I'm going to check the pads here. You can see it's very low. Basically, this vehicle need to change the pads. Basically, this the disc. This is the pad outer section, metal section. In between you can see tiny gap. This is the pad. It's very low. I'll show you new pads. This is the new pad. This is the metal bit we are talking. You can see here. This is the pad. Have a look the thickness. This one and that one. Now you know it's time to change. Now you know how to check your track rod end, drop link, and underneath here lower arm ball joint, disc, and pads. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow this channel. You can get a lot of useful video like this. If you have any question, comments, or any suggestion or your experience, please comment below. Thank you. See you with the next video.